Are you looking for the best drone under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best drone under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, new Hubsan ACE SE Drone Professional 4K HD Camera 9km Image Transmission GPS Helicopter with FPV 3-axis PTZ-RC Plane Toys. Number 2, Fimi ACE SE 2022 V2 Drones with Camera HD 8K GPS Professional RC Helicopter FPV 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone Toys for Boys. Number 3, Fimi ACE SE 2022 V2 Camera Drone 10km 4K Professional Quadcopter Camera RC Helicopter FPV 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone Toy. Number 4, Fimi 8K Drone Camera Professional Airplane for Xiaomi X8 SE 2022 FPV 3-axis Gimbal Quadcopter GPS 10km RC Helicopter Toys. Number 5, Fimi 4K Camera Drone X8 Mini Racing Drones HD Professional Remote Control Helicopter GPS 8km Transmission Quadcopter Toy for Boys.